You rappers get ignored, me I'm who they checking for.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida, and right now we are having a small car meet here in the Discord server. If you guys want to join, it is linked in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord server, we'll have some role plays once in a while, and you could be in my videos if you guys join the Discord server. And if you guys ever join a role play, then you guys can be in a video. But yeah, right now we're having a small little car meet. As you guys can see, we have some fans here. But yeah, first car we have here is my car. I actually brought this thing, custom wrapped Pagani. This thing actually looks real nice. As you guys see, just got this thing done, really nice. We have, this thing is wrapped like purple blue, really like it. Actually looks real nice. Just got this thing wrapped, but yeah, pretty nice car. And then we got the limited $22 million McLaren here. This thing is off sale now, pretty expensive. As you guys see, pretty nice car. It's limited, so yeah, real nice car. We have another McLaren here, yellow McLaren P1. Really nice car. We got that carbon fiber lip, real clean. Even carbon fiber on the side mirrors right here. Lots of carbon fiber on this thing. Even on the rear here, real nice. We have a light blue Nissan GTR here. I actually really like this light blue on the GTR. It actually looks really nice. But yeah, here we go. Really nice color on the GTR. And then we have a really bright blue here. It's actually really bright. Looks pretty clean on the Aventador SVJ here. This thing looks really clean. Really nice blue color. This thing really bright actually, as you guys see. And then we got another SVJ right here. Black actually looks really nice on this thing. All blacked out SVJ here. Looks really nice. And then we got the Supra, yellow Supra, pretty nice too. Yeah, pretty nice. And then we have a Bentley right here, a nice green color. And then we have, if we go over here, we got the Mopars. We have the red Dodge Charger Hellcat, really nice car. Really like the Chargers, looks really nice. Especially in these, the red looks really nice. We got a Challenger right here, really nice too in the red. Got a wide body right here. Actually really want Southwest Florida to add a wide body Charger. They don't have that in game yet, but yeah, real nice car here. Both really nice cars, matching red, really nice. But yeah, those are pretty much cars. Have the black Aventador changed to white here. White also looks really clean on the Aventador here, real nice. White Bentley, really clean SUV. White Supra, blue SVJ. But yeah, 22 million McLaren here actually sounds really nice. And also, there's just so much carbon fiber on this McLaren P1, really nice. And my Pagani, just wrapped this thing. Actually really like the color on this thing. It pops out a lot. But yeah, pretty nice. The Pagani also actually sounds really nice too. It actually has a really nice sounding exhaust. Same with the McLaren right here. These two cars right here sound really nice. They're pretty loud actually. But yeah, pretty nice cars here, as you guys can all see. Not too big of a car meet, but pretty nice cars out today. Sub and like for a free cookie. That's right, if you guys subscribe, make sure to subscribe. We are on our way to 5,000 subscribers. thank you guys all for the support. Pretty crazy. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. We just hit 4K. We're at pretty close right now. But yeah, pretty clean cars. If you guys want to be in a video somewhat like this, we'll be having some role plays in the Discord server. So if you guys ever want to be in a video, then make sure to join the Discord server linked in the description. If you guys join, you guys can be in a video. But yeah, really clean cars out today. Really like all the cars. My favorite, honestly, personally, besides my car, I actually really like the Pagani. But besides that, all the other cars, I honestly think my favorite will have to be the McLaren P1. Really like the yellow on this thing. It actually makes the P1 look really nice. But yeah, yellow on the McLaren P1 looks real nice. Let's actually change the time here. There we go. But yeah, as you guys see, the McLaren is really nice. It says McLaren, as you guys see, it matches his shirt. Real nice. As you guys can see, yellow makes the McLaren pop out quite a lot. But yeah, really nice cars out today. Appreciate you guys all coming out today. Those of you guys in the Discord server, thank you for all coming. Really nice. Coming to the CARMEET here. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I think I'll conclude the video here. But anyways, hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, so we can reach 5,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.